iPhone 13 has been released and blow up the whole internet, but frankly not as much as previous ones do. Today I'm trying to use this iPhone 6s to record my day to make a vlog. Let's see how this old iPhone works in a modern vlog day. Now I'm recording from the front camera. I'm walking and holding it by hand, so it's quite shaky. And now the main camera at the back with stabilization, 1080p, 30p. 1080 is like last generation resolution, but I think it's still enough to record a daily life. The main camera at the back with stabilization, but it's not live view while you are recording. Once you tap stop recording, you can only play and see the stabilized video. See my iPhone 6s, this is it. I wish I have a CPL filter on it. JHO's Batmobile is right here. Oh god, today is so cloudy, look at the sky. It's not my iPhone's problem, it's literally totally gray. Let's go take some shots. I was planning to fly my drone here in the field, but it could be raining anytime soon. So as long as I'm here already, I just try my luck to test out my new propellers. Recently I've changed my fixed propellers to folding propellers to even further increase the portability. Changed fixed propellers to folding propellers. With the normal fixed propellers, no matter what angle you turn, it's not smooth to put into the bag. But now I just fold it up, easier to carry around. Oh baby.
Welcome to Tango 2.
Actually, I'm not sure how the iPhone 6 microphone performs. It's been a long time since the last time I bring it out with me. Roughly about a year. I feel some raindrops. My new propellers. Looks good. Woo! Okay, goggles on. Oh my god, the rain starts to drop. The rain starts. Oh, it's working, it's working. Oh man, I crashed. Shit! I feel like the power is too loose. Stuck. I feel the power is not as strong as the fixed propeller, so I cannot do anything like dive. The rain starts, let's go back. Run! No. Is iPhone 6 waterproof? I don't think so. Hey guys, I parked my bike just out of this brick factory and it's become a historical place because this was built in the Japan colonial time. It's 1899. I don't have my raincoat with me, so I just try to get away for a while from the rain. This is the front camera. You can see the brightness and the darkness. Let's see the back camera. So the dark and the bright. And also here, this camera has the HDR, but it's not as good as the newer iPhone, of course. I just record this iPhone 6s only has HDR for photo taking. For video, no. The dynamic range of this front camera is so bad. This is back main camera. Let's see how this works in low light. It's literally nothing I can see. But with my bare eyes, I don't see a thing either. I believe this is a new roof they built to protect the old brick factory. Let me try to take a photo in super low light. The photo is much brighter than my bare eyes can see, but the video is very close to my bare eyes. Let me zoom. I can feel the energy here. There was fire. Alright, this is how they make a brick, and this is how it works. Let me catch it. Oh, iPhone 6s, you are so great. So as you may know, there is slow motion in iPhone 6s. Let's try to catch some raindrops. Okay, I cannot catch raindrops, but I found here a good spot to catch a drip. So the slow motion is 720p, 240 fps. I tried my best to catch the water drop. Look at the roof. The rain stops. Maybe I can fly my drone inside the factory, but there is management people just inside.
You'll notice the dramatic exposure change and also the wind noise.
I'm going back to my apartment. I'm on my rooftop right now. Finally, the sky shows a little bit of blue. Woo. If you see so many rooftops made by this cheap iron sheet, you know this is Taiwan. This is very special, only in Taiwan. Only these 3 stories is allowed and permitted by the government, and the extra layer is made by the house owner, which is illegally built. This is very typical. Look, look, look. And here, and here, here, and here, here. Oh, this is beautiful. So let's wait for the nightfall and go out to test how the real low light works. Alright, it's 6 p.m. right now. I'm going out to grandma's home. Hey, 我现在我要说英文的。Hey, I'm at grandma's house and this is the special food grandma prepared for us. Squid ball and the pork sausage. And I don't know what's this. And we're waiting for the rice to be cooked. In Asia, we need to eat rice every meal. This is my cousin.
Yeah.
Let me try this. You can see squid inside of it. And we have a new dish here, is a clam. This is called Oleng Halo. It's made from fish. It's the special thing from Taiwan. Grandma just introduced this to me. This is called the Babawan and means treasure ball. Grandma said this treasure ball always served in wedding, so means treasure, prosperity. Pork and salted egg yolk and some spring onion inside. Hey, it's totally dark right now, only with some street lights. So let me test the iPhone 6 versus iPhone 12. This is iPhone 6s, iPhone 12.
By editing the following clips, I realized that iPhone 6s audio record has a much richer bass than iPhone 12's harsh high frequency.
所以你会讲英文吗？
English.
Yes. 所以你会讲英文吗？
English.
Yes. 所以你会讲英文吗？
English.
Yes. So look at the ground and to the sky. My God, I can see nothing from iPhone 6s, but it's quite good on iPhone 12. This is the front camera.
The following clips I was comparing the front cameras, but what I was talking about is based on the live view on the screen. It is totally different from the final playback which you are watching now. Okay, let's continue, you'll understand what I'm saying.
iPhone 12 is double the effect of iPhone 6s because 12 divided 2 is 6.
Okay, pause here for a while. Even iPhone 12 is the total winner for the live view on the screen at the moment while I was recording. But by watching the extra footages right now, I can't say iPhone 12 wins at all. The iPhone 6s does put up the brightness to show the dark parts such as my face and clothes, but the bright part is definitely overexposed. My face and clothes on iPhone 12 is underexposed, but the bright parts are fine. iPhone 12 eliminated so much noise by software calculations, but with iPhone 6 footage, we can only do it in the post-production. Let's look at the details. On iPhone 12, it's a total flat wall, but we can see the tiles on iPhone 6s. The other difference is the angle of iPhone 12 is a little bit wider than iPhone 6s. So let me know which one you think is better. Can you see my eyeball?
And here is one of my favorite places in Kaohsiung, the Love River. This is the logo of Kaohsiung City. It's a Chinese character Gao. The front camera now is much brighter than the back main camera, but my face is overexposed and the sky is very noisy. Back camera, I have turned the exposure to maximum, but nothing changes. So in my opinion, iPhone 6s still okay for daytime vlogging. At nighttime, it really sucks. I forgot to say about the drone flying earlier. With the new folding propellers, I really feel the power is not as strong as fixed propellers. You definitely don't want to do any freestyle flying or even a sharp turn, because that was how I crashed. But I think it's good for cruising. At my gym, it's so unreal. I don't really look that tall.